Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the animated wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So at the first, let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here Magic Fluids. Magic Fluid. Select from the list. We have to get the application from the Mad Scientist. Click install. It is called the Magic Fluids Free Simulation and Live Wallpaper. Right now we can open the application. And here you get the preview how it is going to look when you set it up. So click here, tap to set as a live wallpaper. Click, select where you want to set it up. I'm going to tap on the home screen. And as you can see, here we got our wallpaper. And yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.